welcome to Shinchon Foodie's 5th episode, and we're back with another easy, delicious breakfast and brunch menu, which is ham cheese strata in a microwave. Strata is one of those easy brunch dishes in line with quiche and frittata, but here we're going to make it in the microwave, which will make it much easier. Now here are the ingredients. We need sliced ham, eggs, milk or cream, whatever you have, cream cheese, some shredded cheddar cheese or mozzarella cheese, slices of day-old bread cut into about 1-inch cubes. And last but not least, we have diced scallion, which is optional, but I always like some color into it. Now let's start cooking. So we're basically making an egg custard. And now some cream cheese. What I love about strata is that you can make it ahead before and just tuck it in the fridge and put it into the oven in the morning. Okay, so I'm adding scallion now, but I'm gonna leave a little bit so that I can use it garnish. And in goes the ham. Little pinch of fresh grind pepper. And now I'm adding in shredded cheese. Again, leave a little bit so that you can put it on top. Okay, mix it well. Okay, we're pouring over. Now just transfer into the bowl you're going to cook in. It could be a bit hot, so be careful. I'm serving it with winter food salad, adapted from the recipe by Smitten Kitchen. Some of you might know. Okay, now let's eat. 커스터드 같이 되잖아. 질감도 되게 촉촉해. 브레드 푸딩 같기도 하고.
완전 부드럽고 살짝 뜨겁긴 한데 역시나 치즈가 또 느끼하지 않고 맛있네.